How we doing today, Groundbreakers? Mason and Gabe here. We got 2 boxes of Inception going. Let's pick your team with a huge random at the end, and Mike took it down, most of it. We'll go ahead and go over the team list. We've got Kudamarsh with Arizona, and Brad with Atlanta, Coot with Baltimore, and Mike Reynolds with Boston, Coot with the Cubs, Chris with the White Sox, Matt Nutzman with Cincy, Coot with Cleveland, Nate with Colorado, Matt with Detroit, Thomas with Houston, Coot with Kansas City, Mike Reynolds with Angels, Joey Davis with the Dodgers, Alyssa with Miami, Pat with Milwaukee, Papa Nutzman with Minnesota. I think we have the full Nutzman family in the break today. Zach Nutzman with the Mets, Papa Nutzman with the Yankees, Blaine Ingalls with Oakland and Philly, Matt Flores with Pitt, Joe Bell with San Diego, Joey Davis with San Fran, Coot with Seattle, and St. Louis, and Tampa Bay, and Texas. Matt Kilmer with Toronto, and Blaine to round it out with Washington. If anybody would like to try to guess the big auto for today, they can have $5 off towards the other Inception break. Which, Chris Woodall, you have $5 towards that for that last mini too, if you are watching with us right now. We'll give it a minute though. And then that's all we have left for today is just the Inception. Tomorrow I should be getting some football in, Tuesday at the latest. So we'll have some football stuff up. And then later this week we got our own thing going that we're going to be excited to drop. Hira, Acuna would be sweet. Both of those would be sweet. Nico would be cool. Luis Roberts would be sweet. I'm gonna guess Aquino today. Oh, hey Mace, did you grab me scissors, dude? Looks like that might be it for guesses. Knife or scissors or anything, please? Scissors. Anything knife, right? Jordan Alvarez, that would be a sweet one too. Pete Alonso, that would be really sick. I know some of those guys too, that the Vlads and Tatis and Alonso that didn't have autos in last year's Inception when they were rookies, but they do this year. Matt Nutzman's going Aquino too. Yeah, he's got Cincy. I might have the dice game rolling today, later this afternoon. We'll see. All right. Good luck, everybody. Nick Solak, Walker Buehler. That's the other one I was thinking about guessing is Dubon. Mauricio Dubon, Baez. We've got a Tyler Alexander green. Judge would be damn cool too. I think we've only hit one Judge auto. Or Queedy, I think is how you say that, for Houston. And the auto for this one is going to the Reds. We were right, Matt Nutzman. Look at that. Aquino to 245. That's gross. It's the first time I've called it right. On card, sweet. Got a big one. I like it. We were due. Last box or two, we hadn't gotten much, so there it is. Sweet. Congrats, Matt. Mace, can you grab me the thick cases? The thick, soft sleeve. Sweet. Now we don't have any pressure on this box. We already got a good one. Not that we'll take 2, for sure. Well, we had about a 50% chance of hitting a Nutzman, so Oh, nice. It's a fat one. So it might end up being a good little break here. We got Stanton, Harper, Ramirez, Puck, Max Scherzer. Nice. Little pink to 75 for Blaine. Been a while since I've had to sleeve them as I went. The baby seems to go nuts at nighttime, so Minnie doesn't sleep much, so she's been sleeping during the day. Armenteros rookie for Houston as well. And no color, but it looks like it's a patch auto. It's going to be for Detroit. Nice. DiMarite. 18 to 155. Nice little stripe in the middle there. And that was for Matt Flores. With the third place in the mini there at the end. Yeah. Went through our 130s like crazy. Gonna have to order some of those again real quick. So not a bad one at all. Scherzer, pink to 75, Aquino to 245, and the DiMarite to 155. Thank you guys for filling that. We've got quite a few spots left in the other one if you're looking and jumping in something this afternoon. And we'll break that as soon as it's full. Guys, have a good afternoon.